Assalamualaikum and hi. I am NAJWA of 5 Amanah from SMK Abdurrahman Talib. Today I will be presenting about the submarine. So, these are the main parts of the submarine that you may need to know. Every submarine got a propeller, a nuclear reactor, a periscope, and also a pair of ballast tanks, which is located at the back of the submarine and also at the front of the submarine. So today's main topic will be a ballast tank. I will be discussing about what is a ballast tank, how will it work, and why is it important to a submarine. So what is a ballast tank? Ballast tank is a compartment within the submarine that holds the water. It also provides hydrostatic stability for the vessel. Why is ballast tank important? Ballast tank is important to control the buoyancy of a submarine, whether to float, to sink, or to rise. It also helps in the flotation of the submarine by storing or removing the water when it is required. So how does a ballast tank work? Its outer hull is entirely watertight. Inside the hull tanks are called ballast tank. If the ballast tank is empty, the buoyant force is equal to its weight, which means the submarine will float. But if the ballast tank is full, the buoyant force will be lesser than its weight. Hence, the submarine will sink. So this is the simulation that will explain on how will a ballast tank work. So how does exactly submarine float? So basically, the submarine will float when the ballast tank is filled with only air. As you can see, the ballast tank in here is filled with only air and no water. At the surface, the ballast tank are emptied to give a positive buoyancy. When a submarine is floating, the buoyant force is equal to its weight. Hence, it gives a balanced force and the submarine will float. How does a submarine sink? When a submarine is sinking, the water will be higher in the ballast tank. As you can see, the ballast tank is filled with only water and no air. This will cause the weight of the submarine to increase. Hence, the weight of the submarine is higher than its buoyant force. The resultant force acting on it is lower. This will cause the submarine will move downward and it will sink. Lastly, how does a submarine rise? When the submarine is rising up, the water inside the ballast tank is lower. As you can see, the water is decreasing from the previous picture. It fills with half of water and half of air. The ballast tank will remove some of the water and cause the water to decrease. Hence, the weight of the submarine will be lower than its upthrust. The resultant force acting on it is higher. This will cause the submarine to move outward and rise. So, what are the suitable characteristics of a submarine? For the shape of the submarine, it will be streamlined shape. This is because it helps in reducing the water resistance. For the strength of material used for the body of the submarine, we will be using a strong material. This is because it will not break easily. For the component which enable the submarine to submerge or float, we will be using a ballast tank. This is because it helps in increasing or reducing the weight of the submarine. For the type of water source used, we will be using nuclear power. This is because nuclear power is a lasting power. So that is all from me. Thank you for watching.